So hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a dual clock on the iOS 26 lock screen. For example, this one, if I want to add another clock, for example some other city as well, some other country as well. Now in order to do it, just simply press and hold this wallpaper option, hit customize, and once you do that, here on the widgets option you'll see this option of add widget. Just simply go over there, and here when you scroll down you'll see this option of clock right there. Just simply tap on this option of clock, and here you'll find world clock, city digital. And for example, if I select city digital, and here you'll see it will select some particular city of which I want to add the clock for. For example, if I again click on this one, I just manually need to select the city. For example, if I select Albuquerque, USA, and here I'll see the timings of that particular city on my home screen as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.